Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we turn off vibrate mode setting in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to off your phone vibrate mode settings, so friend, how can you off it? Today I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we off vibrate mode setting guys. Today I will show you in this video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it friends. You can see this tab of setting friends. Click on phone sound and vibration setting guys. Tap on sound and vibration, and friends you can see guys this tab of settings. So friends you can see your sound mode setting guys. Samsung phone. Friends you can see your sound mode setting and vibrate mode setting. So we will click on sound mode setting to off vibrate mode. After of guys you can see sound mode will on, and then we can use your phone sound setting guys. So when vibrate mode will off in our Samsung mobile. So like that guys, you can turn off your vibrate mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to off vibrate mode setting. So that's it guys, bye.